Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold with the technically analyze. I will going to analyze with the technical picture gold. What are the levels? What are the opportunities do you have to trade with gold? So my Telegram link is below. You can join with accurate gold analysis signals and make good profit. So I am in a daily chart. This is the chart pattern. I am technically seeing this type of picture with the gold chart. This is the symmetrical triangle pattern. It's the gold daily chart is in ranging, and that's you can see the breakout to the upside. So triangle pattern now break out to the upside, so you should wait for the retest to buy gold now. So that is the gold daily picture, technical picture. I am seeing this type of pattern, so break out to the upside now. You should wait and get the confirmation to buy gold again. So I am going to the 4 hour chart. You can see the strong resistance is there. This is the left side is strong resistance area. That's the 2365 level. That is that as the strong sellers are in this area. Price some rejected from this level and demand to this level and drop, and some rejected from this level. If break this level, so gold need strong data. So that is the sellers active left side. You can see price drop to the below side from this level. So strong resistance levels in there with the 4 hour chart. You can see, so can be sell opportunity in this level, but you should wait for confirmations to candlestick and other confirmation to get the trade. So I'm going to the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, you can see I am seeing price is in ranging in this area. That's the double top pattern like this is the rejected from this area from the 1 hour chart goal. You can see, so this can be a ranging pattern in this area. So before go to the upside, so I am going to set the ranging pattern is like this. That can be a bullish flag pattern. So price can be ranging like this in this area, so like this, and ranging and break to the upside again can be. So you should wait the price ranging. So below is the buy zone. You can see the below buy zone area 2345 level is there. So fight price can be dropped to the below zone, and that is you have a buy opportunities is in below buy zone with the 1 hour chart. So that is the 1 hour technically picture, technically analysis. So that's we are going to this is the 1 hour chart. So you can see the left side resistance below 1 hour chart. So that is the this is the support area. So wait for the breakout this support with the 1 hour chart. So break to the big support level, and your buy opportunity is in below. So wait for the this breakout, and not breakout is it continue to the upside again. So gold's in now bullish tone, bullish is going to the upside gold. So if this breakout to this support area, that's your below buy zone is for buy opportunity. So that is the 1 hour opportunities. You have a gold chart, so you can see that's a breakout this support area. So that is a below zone 2345 is the buy zone with the 1 hour technically chart, and again you have a buy opportunity and this area. So that is the, and you have you can see the below resistance line. This is the strong resistance area. This resistance can be support, so resistance becomes support. This is simple technical theory. This resistance area several times price resistance and breakout resistance can be support in this area and buy again. That's the 1 hour technically picture I am seeing. So thank you very much.